This is continuation of our basic Kannada alphabet series and this is lesson 10. So this is Akshara Abhyasa 10. This is from the textbook Savi Kannada grade 1 part 1 and this is page number 79. So today we will be looking at these four alphabets. So this is This alphabet is We pronounce this as um. This is This is aha. This is pronounced as aha. Aha. Um, aha. Then this is gna. 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 Then this is nya. Nya. This is nya. This is nya. So let's see how to write them. So it is very simple. We have to first write the alphabet A. First write the alphabet A and then write the circle next to it. This is So with the I will show you how to trace it. This is stroke 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then you just put a circle here. So stroke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a circle. This is So this is and in Hindi you write it like this. So first you write A, stroke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 1 stroke. This is This alphabet is Then next one is aha. So same thing, you have to write A and then put 2 circles next to it. So you write stroke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 1 and 2. This is aha. So I'll trace it here. So write A and then put 2 circles next to it. This is aha. So in Hindi you will write it like this. You will write A and then you put 2 dots at the side. So this is and then this is aha. So aha. Then next one. This is gnya. Gnya. So you have to first write a j. Not j, you can also write it as o. So you write o. Okay. So first you will write o. Then you will put a dot here and you will put a curve like this. So you write first o, put a dot and then put a curve. So I will trace it along with the alphabet and show you. So first start. So this is stroke 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Or you can also do 3 and 4 anyways. So you can do like this also. Okay, this is gnya. So I'll write it again here. Stroke 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is gnya. This is equivalent to this in Hindi. And then the last one, this is nya. So this is very simple, just like writing E, the swara E. So first start by writing the swara E and then just put one more curve next to it. So you start by writing the swara E and then put one more curve next to it. So this is nya. This is nya. This is nya. And the equivalent of this in Hindi is this. This is the alphabet. So aha, nya, nya. Aha, nya, nya. There are not many words which start with any of these alphabets. So let us continue. So here it is just showing how to trace and write it. Then the next page also, the next 2 alphabets are continued on how to write it. And now Abhyasa. This is the exercises. ಈ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ಹೇಳಿ. So you have to clearly pronounce all these alphabets. Okay, now I have to explain how we have to pronounce these alphabets. We know that this is called as But this, when it comes with a combination of other alphabets, the way how this is pronounced slightly differs. So for example, let us take this word Anka. Okay, and Ka. So what you have to do is whatever is coming after Okay, look at the alphabet that is coming after And how do you pronounce this alphabet? This is ka. So when you say ka, see when you say ka, your lips are not touching one another. They go apart. When you say ka, just try saying ka and see your lips don't touch each other. They go apart. So when the next alphabet that is after whatever is the alphabet that follows after you have to first pronounce that in your mind. In case your lips don't touch, in like this case where ka, when you're pronouncing ka, your lips are not touching each other. That time you have to pronounce this as anka. Okay, anka, you have to pronounce it as not anka. Okay, but in case there is an alphabet where your lips touch each other. For example, how will I read this alphabet? So you have to see what is following Whatever is following this alphabet is ba. You pronounce this as ba. So tell it and see. Ba. When you're saying ba, what is happening? Your lips are touching one another. Right? So then this has to be pronounced as amba. So this will become amba. So always make sure that you have to see what is the following alphabet after the alphabet And in case the alphabet is where your lips don't touch each other, then you have to pronounce this not as You have to pronounce this as anka, anga, anda. Okay, where the lips don't touch one another. But if the alphabet is such that like ba or pa, where the lips touch one another, then only you will pronounce this as Otherwise, you will pronounce it as Okay, or So this pronunciation depends upon the alphabet which follows the alphabet So please remember this. Okay, so now let us see how to pronounce this. This is Anka. Anka. Anka means marks. As in you have a test and the marks that you have obtained. That is Anka. Anga. Anga is a part. It can also be a body part. Anga. Anda. Anda is egg. Anda. Anda means something which looks very pretty, very beautiful. Anta. Anta is end. End of something. Anchala. It's a border of a cloth, like a sari or a dhoti. That is Anchala. Angala. This is Angala. Angala is the front yard or the courtyard of a house. Anjana, fire. Antah. So this one you have to pronounce it as Antah. Okay, Taha. This aha, right? So there are two dots, two circles here. So you have to pronounce this as Antahapura. Antahapura. That is Queen's room. Okay, there are more words here where you have to practice writing them. So this is Ankana. This word is Ankana. Ankana means column. Then Antara. Antara means difference. Andha. This is the big dha. So there's a difference. This is Andha and this is Andha. Okay. So Andha is beauty. Andha means somebody who is blind. Then Anta. Anta we saw. Anta is end. Anga is part of a body or just a part. Angada. It's a ornament or a jewel you wear on your arm. Kamba. Okay, so see here, this ba has come here, so you have to pronounce this as kam, not kan. Okay, kamba. Kamba is pillar. Kampana. Again, see pa. When you're pronouncing pa, your lips are touching one another. So you will not read this as kanpana. We will not say. We will say it as kampana. Kampana means to shiver. Manga. Manga is a monkey. Kantha. Kantha is your throat. So this is page 80. This is on page 80. Now page 81. There are some alphabets given, and there is a circle in the center. This in the center. You have to make use of that and form words. you can form 10 words. Like the given example, Ranga. So, Ganga, River Ganga. Pampa, Pampa is a poet. He is a Kannada poet. Kanda, Kanda means a small child. Shankha, Shankha is a conch. Rampa, Rampa is like it's like an instrument, a metal tool, or you can also take it as a sound, a lot of sound and confusion created. Manda means dull. Manga is monkey. Hamsa is swan. Kamsa is this is a character which we see in Mahabharata. He is Krishna's uncle. Kamsa is Krishna's uncle. Sangha. Sangha is company. Somebody who's accompanying, who's there with you. Okay. So you can make more words. I have just done it here as a simple example. You can make your own words. Okay, so this comes to the end of our alphabet series. Now let us look at writing all the alphabets, now what we have seen so far. So the first is all the swaras. So and and aha are swaras. Okay, I forgot to mention and aha are swaras. So now our table will be complete now because we have seen all the alphabets. I, I, u, ru, e, I, o, how, and what we saw today, and aha. Okay, so these two are what we saw in lesson 10. Now, the Vyanjanas, ka, kha, ga, gha, and what we saw today, nya, nya. Then, cha, cha, ja, jha, and nya. Then, ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. And then we have the last row. Ya, ra, la, va, sh, sh, sa, ha, saha, and la. And and aha and nya are the alphabets that we saw in lesson 10. So these are the new alphabets which we saw in lesson 10. So we complete all the 49 alphabets, and Kannada Varnamale we have completed with lesson 10. So the next will be Gunitaksharas. What follows next is Gunitakshara. So I will be making a video series very shortly explaining the Gunitaksharas. Okay, so this is the end of our Varnamale series.